Our airlock siphon decanter is an Aerofloat piece of proprietary kit. This is a pretty small decanter. It's just made from shed 80 pipe with some Europress on the airline. And the way it works is this actuator will open, releasing the air that is trapped in the decanter pipework. And then the clean water will, under gravity, go out via the U-tube to the effluent tank. This actuator will close, and then that will begin a siphon effect. The clean water runs out through the manifold down to the effluent tank. So here above me is the outlet of the airlock siphon decanter, and we gravitate here from the decanter arm and then into this effluent tank. It's essentially zero maintenance. It's got no moving parts except one actuated valve, and they don't cost a bomb to make, so it helps putting this type of decanter into our projects to reduce CapEx for the client and give a great solution.